In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove dependencies in Wrike. Whether you're tidying up your project plans or just need to adjust some timelines, removing dependencies can streamline your workflow and help keep everything in order. So let's jump in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Wrike account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Wrike homepage and click on Log In. You'll see a few options for logging in, and if you prefer simplicity, I recommend clicking on the Google button. Select your Google account from the list provided, enter your password if prompted, and you'll be seamlessly logged into Wrike. Once you're logged in, the next step is navigating to where your dependencies are visualized. For this, you'll want to access your Gantt chart. The Gantt chart is a fantastic tool within Wrike that provides a visual timeline of your project, making it easier to see and manage tasks and their interconnections. To find this, head to your workspace and view the Gantt chart for the project in question. On your Gantt chart, you will notice lines connecting different tasks. These lines represent the dependencies between tasks. Find the specific task dependency you want to remove. You should see an arrow showing the link indicating the dependency between tasks on this timeline view. Now, to remove a dependency, you simply need to click on this arrow. As you hover over or click the dependency line, you should notice an X mark appearing on it. This X is your tool to break the link. By clicking the X, you effectively remove the dependency, thereby unlinking those tasks on your timeline. Removing a dependency can help when tasks no longer require a strict sequence, or if changes in project dynamics mean certain tasks need to run in parallel. Keep in mind that removing dependencies affects timelines, so consider how this may impact your overall project delivery dates before proceeding. And there you have it, a straightforward process to remove dependencies in Wrike. This method is a simple yet powerful way to take control of your project management, ensuring that you have the flexibility you need to adapt to the ever-changing nature of project demands. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more project management tips and tutorials. Remember, managing dependencies effectively can save you time and help keep your projects on track. Happy managing, and see you in the next video.